To use action icon feature to send an email from a handwritten note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the action icon option on the Note app is on. To do so, open Samsung Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Under Advanced section, tap the gray on offset next to action icons until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key. Open your handwritten note where the email address you like to send an email is on. Remove your S Pen. Tap the reading mode icon at the top of the note to view the note in read-only mode. And then hover your S Pen above the email address. Tap the email icon to compose an email to the email address on your default mail app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.